Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by rinsing your glasses under lukewarm water to wash away grit. This prevents scratches later. Once rinsed, put 1 small drop of mild dish soap on each lens and rub with your fingertips, holding the frame by the bridge. The soap breaks oils and fingerprint residue, so make sure to cover the entire surface, front, back, and edges. Rinse thoroughly. If suds remain, you can get streaks. Keep motions gentle. Fast scrubbing risks bending thin frames. Once the lenses are sudsy and rinsed, focus on the tricky spots: nose pads, hinge crevices, and the inner lens edges. You should use a soft bristled brush or a cotton swab to dislodge trapped oils and debris. This prevents buildup that causes skin irritation. If you have anti-reflective coatings, spray a dedicated lens cleaner sparingly and wipe immediately, because coatings can delaminate from prolonged solvent exposure. Make sure to move in straight passes. Circular buffing can leave streaks and push grit into frames. You finish by patting the lenses dry with a clean microfiber cloth. Never use paper towels or your shirt, which cause micro scratches. Once dry, hold the glasses at arm's length and inspect for streaks. If streaks remain, re-clean using straight, gentle passes. If you find scratches or persistent coating damage, stop using abrasive methods and visit your optician for repair. One troubleshooting tip: if streaks persist, the cloth may be contaminated. Wash or replace it before cleaning again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.